In this Excel challenge, we will take a messy list of students and subjects and flatten it into a neat two-column table using dynamic array formulas. We want each student on a separate row with their subject next to them. So we will start by adding a comma after each group of names. In a blank cell, type this: equal sign, select the first column, ampersand symbol, comma, and a space. This just ensures each list ends with a comma. It will help you later when splitting. Now we want to attach the subject to each group. We can use the substitute formula. Here is what's happening. We take the group of names from the previous step, and then using substitute, we replace each space with the subject from the second column, plus the line at the end. The result will look like this. We've now tagged each name group with its subject and marked where each group ends using the line. Now let's combine all the rows into one continuous string. Using CONCAT function, we will stitch all the rows into a single line of text. What we get is a mega string that looks like this. This is the raw material we will slice next. Now we can apply TEXTSPLIT function to turn that long string into a proper table. In a new cell, type this: equal sign TEXTSPLIT. Refer to the previous step. The second argument is a comma. This separates the names. The third argument is our line. This marks the end of each subject group, our row delimiter. And the last argument is 1, to ignore the empty cells. Once you press Enter, Excel returns a spill range, a clean two-column array. Of course, you don't need to type all of those intermediate steps in real life. They were just for understanding what's going on. Once you get the idea, you can skip the build-up and just use the final formula right away. If you are planning to reuse it across files, you might want to wrap the inner part in a let function for readability. But honestly, the raw version is compact enough for most cases. One formula, no helper columns, group flattening solved. See ya!